Hello fellow traders, this is Jay Lakhani. It's my second video today. It's Saturday 23rd of January 2016. Again, in my second video, what I would like to do is to focus on real member trades. And one of the services which I offer to my one-to-one mentoring clients is not only hold their hands in live trading sessions, but also to look at their trading statements, trading journals, and to guide them step by step on their strengths, what they did right, how they can improve their development points, look at the weakness, look at their mental fitness, trader psychology, emotions, and guide them step by step. In this tutorial, I would like to have a look at a couple of trades which I've received from Tariq Syed in Milton Keynes, United Kingdom, and obviously is using the Bindal momentum indicator, which gives signals and watch list on when to buy and when to sell. And as soon as the signal comes, you just have to apply 3 simple filters, and once the filter comes has been put into that trade, you can get a good 80% success rate. So let's just have a look at this trade here. Going short and being stopped out at a loss of 35 pips. And as you can see, is as soon as the stop was hit, the market went down. In actual fact, the market literally collapsed. Okay, we had a move of nearly 200 pips here. But let's have a look at the entry. Yes, it's been stopped out, and often, people feel, hey, the brokers are looking at my stops, and, my stops have been gunned down and all that stuff. But the key point here is you, the trader. What did you do? What was your entry? Was that entry perfect? Did you follow the rules? Did you follow the filters? That is the starting point. Now let's just have a look at Tariq's entry here. 2 long candles, chasing long candles, and that we at Bindal FX, we don't chase candles. 2, entry was exactly at a support. Of course the support and resistances are there to be broken. Had in this case the support broke decisively, you could have made a lot of money, but it didn't. Thirdly is I don't have a pullback, I don't have a retracement. I need to have minimum 50% pullback, 1 to 3, ideally between 60 to 70% retracement. Guess what? Price retrace around 60 to 70%, and that's when you got stopped out, and your stops was just at that pullback. On that pullback, you should have entered, and that would have been a perfect entry. Of course, when people take a loss, it affects their psychology. It affects their mental fitness. It affects your ability to take action. And here, as you can see, what Tariq says is after the loss, I got scared to get in again. Scared to get in again. So see what the loss does. Now, of course, you will not have 100% winning track record. But if you have more winning trades than losing trades, and if your risk reward is great, then you will not have this fear. In this particular case, the entry was very wrong, stopped out, and 35 pips is a big stop. Often, using the Bindal momentum system and the filters, we got away with 15, sometimes as low as 10 pip stop loss, right? On average, I'd be looking at around 25 pips. But the wrong entry meant you not only got stopped out, but your stop was a very big stop. Subsequently, what happened was the market collapsed totally. It was an absolute collapse, 200 pips. So the key point is be disciplined and only take on the trade when the signal is perfect, a low risk, high probability trade, applying all the filters. Okay, so let's move on and have a look at a second trade. This trade here, I was actually holding Tariq's hand and talking to him step by step on a WhatsApp chat. He was asking me questions and I was guiding him, and I told him, get ready, the market is gonna fall big time. The level which we were looking at was 16,000. I had double top here, break of support 1, 2 and 3, price goes down, another pullback, another signal to add shorts, goes down, up here again, goes down. Now here is Tariq missed these entries here. Procrastination. Even though I was guiding him, he missed it. Fear, sometimes lack of confidence, or because the previous trade has affected your psychology. The key point here is you got to have absolute faith and belief in the trading system that you're using. So in this case of Bindal momentum, you know it works. You have got lots of examples that it works. I have proved it. I have shown it to you through my alerts, through me holding members' hand, and that is what I do. I don't only just give you the momentum indicator which gives you the trading signals, but through my email and SMS alert, I am holding each and every new member's hand, guiding them what to do, when to do, why to do. Not only talking about strategy, but also guiding traders with mental fitness how to balance your emotions between fear and greed. And this is something which traders have to really, really work hard on. Because, as I've often said, trading mastery is a child's play. It truly is. If anybody out there is telling you that it is tough, I'm sorry to say it's an utter lot of rubbish. It's bullshit. Trading is not tough. Trading is easy. And I've shown that to many of my members. Of course, you have 90% traders losing money. But you know what? You need those traders to bring money in the market. Without these traders not bringing the money in the market, you are unable to bank profits, isn't it? For somebody to win, somebody has to lose. As simple as that. So key point is, any trader who comes in this trade, you're not here to gamble. You are here to make profit. And this is a business. Treat it like a business. Have a trading plan. Have your trading rules. Have your trading strategies. Know when you're going to enter. Know when you're going to exit. You want to cut your losses and you want to let the winners run. You want to add to your winners. You want to cut your losses. As simple as that. There is no rocket science behind this. So, getting back onto this, fear meant he was unable to get into this trade. He got here perfectly fine. Absolutely a good setup, a good entry. And I was saying that you should be able to make good profits out of this. His target was 50 points, 50 points banked. But just look at here, the green Bindal pivot points broke and his exit was just below the green pivot point. Guess what happened after that? It practically collapsed. 200 pip move. And here is a trader who just got out with 50 pips. And that is a crime. To me, if there's 100 pips on the table, it's a crime to just take 20 pips. Isn't it? Of course, one of the ways you can fight this menace of fear is having that confidence, having that belief in the system, and ensuring that you do not doubt. So when a setup comes here, you are taking that trade. There's no way you should be doubting this system, because this system, after applying the filters, is giving you a near enough 80% success rate with a risk reward of 1 to 4. In many a case, like in this instance, your risk reward was something like 1 to 8. Your entries here, your exit stops would be just around there, risking very little risk, and a mega profit. So guys, just to recap, let the winners run. Do not snatch profit. If you're worried, close half the position, trail the stops, trail it as it goes down in your favor, add to the winners. Subsequently, we had lots and lots of opportunities to add to the winners. So imagine if a trader had taken trades at every possible 1, 2, 3, right? and you were banking profits adding to the winners, and before the final target you would have had half a dozen winning positions and half a dozen TP1 banked. How would you feel? Just how would you feel? So guys, I hope this lesson from this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you traders will apply this and truly make it a child's play. God bless and happy trading.